If you're new to AI and don't know where to start, then this video is definitely for you. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create your first Gemini agent for free, that too in the simplest way possible. So here on my screen, you can see a small automation that I've created where my objective is that every day at a specific time, my workflow should get triggered and it should search for a new article title via Gemini. After generating a new article title, then automatically as per the title research, it should generate a proper article for the same. After generating it, automatically it should be shared as a new post on my Google Blogger account. So now here we are going to learn this process step by step using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Here if you're a new user and you are planning to purchase Pabbly for your own business automations, then you can use my discount code to get a special discount while making a purchase. Here I've already purchased my lifetime deal for Pabbly because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost effective price. So go and get yours now and automate your business, that too for lifetime. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here to build a new connection, you need to create a workflow first. So for that, you need to click on this create workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says make your first Gemini agent for free, and for the folder I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this case I'm going to select it as automations. You can select it as per your requirement, and to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that I want to schedule this workflow to run every day at a specific time. So in that case, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly, that is schedule by Pabbly. Then we are going to select the app event as schedule workflow, and then we're going to click on this connect. Then it is asking me how often you want to run your workflow. So as I have mentioned earlier that I want to trigger this workflow every day at a specific time. So for that I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and from these options I'm going to select it as every day. Then it is asking for the time. So I'm going to set the time as 10 a.m. You can set it as per your requirement. Alright, and then we're going to click on this save. And you can see we have successfully scheduled our workflow every day for a specific time, that is 10 a.m. So now after setting up the trigger, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a new article title using an AI tool, that is Gemini. So I'm using my AI as Gemini, but you can use it as OpenAI or Perplexity AI as well. Alright, so we're going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Gemini. Then for the app event, we are going to select generate content, and then we're going going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected inside Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking for the API key. So here to get the API key, we are going to click on this hyperlink available over here. And it is going to direct you to the Google AI Studio account. So it easily got directed because here I was already logged inside my Google AI Studio account. And now after getting directed to Google AI Studio, you need to click on this get API key option available in the left sidebar. Under this, you can see some existing API keys. For now, I'm going to copy the existing key only, but you can create a new key by clicking on this create API key button as well. Alright, now I'm going to add the key. Then we're going to click on this save. And you can see we are now successfully connected. Then here for the text column, it is asking us to add the relevant prompt for the AI. That means here I'm going to add the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating a unique article title for me. So let me add a relevant prompt. Alright, so I have successfully added a prompt for the AI, and then here for the models I'm going to select it as Gemini 2.5 Flash and the methods are generate content. Then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received an article title generated by AI. Now after receiving a new unique article, what we are going to do is that we are going to provide this article title to our AI tool once again to generate a proper article for the same. So we are going to clone this step over here. So by cloning this step, we can save our time of connecting the entire application once again. And as you know that we are going to use the same app event, so we're going to update the prompt only. I'm going to remove this existing prompt and then I'm going to add a new prompt for the AI. Alright, so this is the another prompt that I've written for generating a proper article. So now here you can see a space for generated title. So now here instead of entering the title manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new title is generated via Gemini in our previous action step, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So this is the title generated, and then we're going to move forward, and here these fields are going to remain the same. So we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the entire article generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after generating the title and the entire article, we are going to post the same on our Google Blogger account. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Blogger. Then for the app event, we are going to select create a post, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected inside Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. Now moving forward, it is asking for the blog ID. So here to get this blog ID, let me take you back to my Google Blogger account. And here you can see the blog ID is my blog. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down, and then here it is asking for the title and the content. So now I'm going to map the title generated by Gemini and the content generated by Gemini. So this is the title and this is the content. Let's move forward. Then it is asking for the status. So here you can set the status as draft, scheduled or live. I'm going to keep it as live only, and then it says is draft. So for that I'm going to select no because my status is live over here. Then here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. After entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new blog post on our Google Blogger account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see we have successfully created a new blog post on our Google Blogger account. Let's view it. So this is the title and this is the entire article generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and our action as Google AI Studio twice and Google Blogger. So that every day at a specific time, this workflow is going to get triggered and automatically Google Gemini is going to search for a unique article title title. After generating a new article title, it is going to generate an entire article on that particular topic. After generating the article and the title, it is going to share as a new blogger post on our Google Blogger account. Alright, so these were very simple and easy step of creating a first Gemini agent for yourself, that too for free. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.